This is the Lazy Sales Rep's Guide to AI. And by lazy, I do not mean cutting corners with buyers. I mean stop wasting energy on work AI can help with. Bad lazy means avoiding the real work. Smart lazy means cutting wasted effort so you have more energy for the parts of sales that actually make money. The first waste is starting from scratch every time you write a message, prepare for a call, or follow up. Use AI to build reusable templates for cold emails, follow-ups, no-shows, proposal nudges, and clean breaks. The second waste is spending 20 minutes researching and still not knowing what to say. Ask AI to summarize the buyer's role, company context, likely priorities, and 3 outreach angles. The third waste is sending the same weak follow-up again and again. Use AI to create a ladder: recap, value add, objection reducer, decision prompt, and clean break. The fourth waste is leaving call notes messy until you forget what actually happened. Use AI to turn messy notes into a clean summary: pain points, stakeholders, risks, next steps, and follow-up tasks. The fifth waste is practicing only when a real buyer is already pushing back. Use AI to role-play pricing objections, competitor pressure, timing concerns, and internal approval problems before the call. The lazy rule is simple: never repeat a task manually if you can turn it into a reusable workflow. Use AI to create templates, research faster, follow up better, clean up notes, and practice before the pressure hits. If you want prompts that make this easier, grab my free guide, 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.